Alrighty, how to move a WordPress site in 2018 and beyond. It used to be you had to do some really geeky stuff to do this. Back in the day, a lot of FTP and database backups, things like that. Now it's easy because the even geekier people of the world develop plugins that do everything for you. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to move back up and move a WordPress site. It's really easy. So basically the situation is you have a WordPress website running somewhere on a host and you're going to move it to new hosting. So you've set up your new hosting account and you have your old site running. Pretty straightforward. The first thing you do is add the plugin. So we'll go to plugins, add new, search all-in-one migration, install now, activate. Let it do its thing. I'm not going to cut this out because it's not how I roll. Do a quick refresh on my dashboard. There it is, all in one WP migration. It's really simple. You're going to export your website from here. So you click on export, export to, just do a file. It's really simple. Save it to your desktop. You're going to let it run. It's going to go through and basically what it does is it takes all of the data, including your database and your files that sit outside of your database, zips them up, allows you to save it to your hard drive on your computer. So obviously you have to do this on a laptop or desktop, unless you use one of the other ways. So there's my file. It's 86 megs. Click download. You can see it's downloading, nice and fast. Um, let that save. It says I have 4 minutes. I'm going to pause it because we don't have to wait for that full 4 minutes. Okay, so the file saved. That was a lot longer for me than it was for you. Uh, Basically now what you need to do is install WordPress on your new host. So you have a hosting account you've set up. Don't worry about your domain or anything like that. Just install WordPress through cPanel or however you do that. Log into WordPress, get to your dashboard. Then you're going to install the all-in-one plugin just as we did a few minutes ago. And then this time you're going to run the import, and it's literally that easy. You click on import, import from, file, select the file you just saved from your old site and let it upload and unpack it and reconfigure your site. And by the time this is done, your new site will look exactly like your old one and all your data will be moved over. Your last step will be, of course, to go into your domain registration account, update your name servers, or however you're updating your DNS pointed at your new server. And there you go. You've quickly moved a WordPress site.